Hello children, let us continue chapter number 11, mensuration. We have already completed 3 questions of exercise 11.1. Let us complete this exercise today. Question number 4. A flooring tile has the shape of a parallelogram whose base is 24 cm and the corresponding height is 10 cm. How many such tiles are required to cover a floor of area 1080 meter square? And we have given here in bracket, if required, you can split the tiles in whatever way you want to fill up the corners. Okay, children. So in the question, it is given that we have a room and its floor has to be tiled. And we have to use tiles having the shape parallelogram. So children, here parallelogram area you should think, and area of parallelogram you have to use the formula BH, where B is the base length and H is the height. Okay, so here base is given 24 centimeter and height is given 10 centimeter. So we have to substitute the values for finding the area of one tile. So area of one tile is equal to BH is equal to B is 24 centimeter and H is 10 centimeter. So multiplying time we get 240 centimeter square. And you know children, area unit is centimeter square here. And in this question we have centimeter and here meter square given. So we cannot use two units in the same question. So we have to do conversion. Okay. So area of the floor is equal to 1080 meter square. Here area of the tile is centimeter square. So we are doing conversion here. 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So 1080 meter square is equal to 1080 into 10,000 centimeter square. Means for converting meter square into centimeter square, we have to do multiplication by 10,000. Okay. So multiplying time, we get this answer. Okay. Now, number of tiles required to cover the floor. What we have to do, children? Area of the floor you have to divide by area of one tile. So area of the floor, we got this answer and that divided by 240. So dividing time we get 45,000. Okay, so 45,000 tiles are required to cover the floor. Okay. Question number 5. An ant is moving around a few food pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which food piece would the ant have to take a longer round? Remember, circumference of a circle can be obtained by using the expression C is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. So children, in the question we have got 3 shapes and these are the shapes of food pieces. So for which food piece the ant has to take longer distance. So let us see the figures one by one. Figure number A. Here the distance covered by the ant or the distance moved by the ant around the shape is equal to this arc or semicircle. Okay, the semicircle and this distance, that is the diameter. So full circle, you know, circumference is 2 pi r. This is half only, so 2 pi r by 2, that is pi r. So this distance is pi r and this length is diameter of the circle. Diameter is given as 2.8 centimeter. So let us use the formula. The distance covered by the ant is pi r plus d. Pi value you know, 22 upon 7 and r is the radius. Here diameter is 2.8 centimeters, so radius is 2.8 by 2, that is 1.4 really, or here I have substituted 2.8 by 2 plus this plus sign, d is 2.8. Now here simplification we have to do. First part, 2 in 22 goes 11 times, 7 in 28 goes 4 times. So we have got here 11 and 4, multiplying time we get 44 and downside we have 10. that plus 2.8. 44 by 10 is 4.4 plus 2.8. Adding time we get 7.2 centimeter. Okay children. So the ant has to move 7.2 centimeter around this food piece. Okay. Now let us see the distance covered by the ant, or the distance it takes to move around the food piece number B. Okay. Now the distance covered by the ant around the shape B is equal to pi r plus B plus L plus B. Children, see the shape. Here this distance is semicircular distance, that is pi r. Okay, semicircle, that circumference of a semicircle is pi r. Then it is moving this much distance, that is I have taken as B 1.5 centimeter, and then this length it is L. Okay, and here again B, this length is given as 2.8 centimeter, and this length and this length same 1.5 centimeter. So children, the ant has to move this distance, that is pi r, then this distance 1.5 centimeter, then this distance which is equal to 2.8 centimeter, and this distance, that is B 1.5 centimeter. So all this length we have to add. So pi r, pi value 22.7 into r, children, radius 2.8 divided by 2, it is 1.4, plus B, that distance is 1.5, plus L 2.8, plus B is 1.5. And here first part we have to do simplification. 22.7 into 1.4 we can write as 14 by 10, plus these three length 1.5, 2.8 and 1.5, adding time we get 5.8. Now cutting we can do. Here 7 in 14 goes 2 times. Okay, and 10 and 22 we can cut by 2. We can cut 10, that is when we cut 10 by 2 we get 5, and cutting 22 by 2 we get 11. Now 11 and 2 we have to multiply. 11 2s are 22, and downside we have 5. 22 upon 5 plus 5.8. 22 upon 5 dividing time we get 4.4 plus 5.8. Adding time these two numbers we get 10.2 centimeter. So the ant has to move 10.2 centimeter around this shape. Okay. Now the third figure we have to consider. The distance covered by the ant around the shape C. Children, see the shape, and has to move this distance, that is pi r. Half circle, circumference of half circle is pi r. Then this distance, it is 2 centimeter, and this side 2 centimeter is given. So all these distances we have to add. Then we will get the distance covered by the ant around the shape. This is equal to pi r plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. Pi r, children, here we have got the value pi r. Here we have already solved pi r, 22 by 7 into 1.4, and we got the answer 4.4. So here I have written that answer 4.4 plus, and 2 plus 2, adding time we get 4. Okay. So 4.4 plus 4 we get 8.4 centimeter. And now we have to see all these three distances. First shape 7.2 centimeter. Second shape that has to cover 10.2 centimeter. And in the third figure it is 8.4 centimeter. So children, which distance is more? The distance 10.2 centimeter is greater. So we can say the ant would have to take a longer round around the food piece having the shape shown in figure B. Okay children, I think you might have understood this solutions. Okay, practice well. Okay children, here I stop. Remaining we may do in the next class. Okay children.